winter intensifies, the National Weather Service has issued a warning for a historic snowstorm set to impact parts of the northeast and Midwest within the next 24 to 48 hours. This storm, fueled by energy from the Atlantic Ocean and Arctic air masses, poses a significant threat with heavy snowfall, strong winds, and dangerously low temperatures. According to official reports, cities such as New York, Boston, Philadelphia, and Washington are expected to be affected. Experts predict snowfall accumulations of 8 to 12 inches, 20 to 30 centimeters in some areas, with wind speeds exceeding 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. These conditions could lead to hazardous roadways, reduced visibility for drivers, and potential power outages in certain regions. Authorities in emergency meetings have warned that schools, offices, and many businesses may face temporary closures, urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel. Additionally, warnings have been issued about extremely dangerous conditions on major highways, prompting law enforcement and emergency services to prepare for crisis management. On social media, users have been sharing images and experiences of the freezing weather, raising awareness about the incoming storm. Many have welcomed the National Weather Service's precise forecasts. Economic analysts have also noted that delays in school and office closures could result in significant financial and human costs. Given the anticipated widespread impact, experts advise residents to stay updated with the latest weather alerts and relocate to safer areas if necessary. Drivers are urged to exercise extreme caution on the roads, as icy conditions and reduced visibility could lead to serious accidents. This snowstorm is being considered one of the most severe winter events of the year and may have lingering effects for several days. We are closely monitoring this situation and will provide updates as new information becomes available. Stay with us for the latest developments and remember to follow safety guidelines to protect yourself and your loved ones.